Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am the Wolf, and I was right, and S&P 500 did a breakdown in my last video. When I was mentioning it was dumping, but I told you that you should wait for a perfect retest and then only enter, or else it will be a loss only. And the same thing is happening right now. It trapped all the bears right now who entered in a short position after seeing some bearish candles, as it is pumping high. I will discuss that also. And the Bitcoin price is right now at my exact minor support level, as I was mentioning. And if the price of Bitcoin breaks it to the downside, where it will go, at what price? So let's discuss all of this in today's video. The Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, I told you all that this is a minor support zone right here for the price of Bitcoin at approx 41,300, 41,200. And same thing is happening right now. The price of Bitcoin was in a sideways channel, and now it is to the downside at an important support. So if the price of Bitcoin breaks this support to the downside with a huge volume candle and with a retest, then it can go all the way down till this purple zone. There are minor support zone in between, like this. There are, like this one is a minor support at 37,700, and this at $35,000. But the main important support zone is at from 31,400 to 29,800. This is the main important support zone for the price of Bitcoin. And if the right now current price of Bitcoin breaks it to the downside, this support to the downside with a retest, then it can go all the way down. This is for sure. And let's see what happens. This is not the right time to enter in a long or a short, because still it is in a sideways channel only. There are chances that the price of Bitcoin can reverse from here to the upside again. To follow the zigzag pattern, you can clearly see zigzag, zigzag, and now zigzag, and now it can go again for a zag. I mean, this is just a layman term. What I'm trying to say, it can go to the upside. At last, I want to discuss about S&P 500. Yes, here it showed some doji candles. That means market is neutral. And after that, this important bearish candle with a huge volume right here closed. So this means that bears are in power. Yes, bears are in power. But I also told you that wait for a perfect retest in the S&P 500 price, then only enter in a short position, not now, because already we booked some profits here. S&P 500 did give a huge bearish move to the downside earlier here also without any retest. So entering once again without any retest is like a trap from S&P 500. So it's important to avoid these traps and wait for a perfect retest. As you can clearly see, yesterday's daily candle, huge, I would say bullish candle, huge body, but still if you notice the volume is less than the last two bearish candles, but still the body of this green candle is a lot bigger than that of the bearish candle. So this means that buyers are interested in pushing the price of S&P 500 to the upside without much volume also, and you can clearly see same thing is happening right now. So if the price of S&P 500 breaks this zone to the upside, then it can form a new all-time high, and then I will use the Fibonacci tool to predict the next levels of resistance for the S&P 500, which will be difficult to trade on. If I see some kind of a bearish strong reversal with a perfect retest, then I will definitely enter in a short position in S&P 500 too. And as you all know, my take profit will be at $4,584. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that right now it is not the correct time to enter in the market. Either it is Bitcoin or S&P 500. Wait for them to do a breakout or a breakdown with a perfect retest and then only enter. Same is with the Bitcoin at the minor support, and same is with the S&P 500 at a major resistance. So I hope you understand it and gain some knowledge of trading. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the comments. You can get up to $30,000 gift. And if you want to trade S&P 500 stocks, Forex, then you can do that on Xness. Link of Xness is in the description and in the comments. You can get up to $1,000 bonus. And yes, this is it. See you guys in the next video.